Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to get enrolled in First Citizens Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for First Citizens Bank. Click on this first website over here. Now on the top right corner, we can see this login option. So let's tap on this and choose your login type. Over here, we can see this option called Enroll Now. So let's tap on this. Now choose your banking type. Let's go for individual for now. Now enter your social security number. Enter your account number. And enter your requested login ID. You can simply create your login ID here. And simply click on submit. After which, we need to enter new password we want to create, and we need following requirements to get enrolled in online banking. Once you are done, simply click on submit and create new password. After which, we'll finally be enrolled in First Citizens Bank online banking. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.